We did Sunday Igbo House for Soka area. This is not BBC Pidgin. Yoruba Nation agitators, they prepare to protest. So then they gather for Sunday Igbo House or front of his house. The preparation they go on now. Leader of the group they address some of the protesters. They send a peaceful protest they want to do. No be kwasa. People there where they gather and then they prepare for the rally. Now peaceful to protest they call them.
Àwọn tó fẹ́ máa ja ọmọ Yorùbá láàbù àwọn tó fẹ́ máa bá ọmọ Yorùbá jẹ́ bí àwọn ọmọ gbogbo tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe wálẹ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣe ẹ bá wa sọ fún wọn tẹ ní aláṣẹ ní aláṣẹ ìlú ìta omi àtẹ̀yẹ àwọn tí wọ́n ní àwọn òní wọ́n tẹ̀ wọ́n yí wa ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì òní pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ mẹ́sẹ̀ tí wọ́n mú sábìyà àti sẹ́kù ilé sẹ́kù àwọn ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta à ń fẹ́ ìdájọ́ òdodo lórí àdìgún àti ìmọ̀ọ́mù àdògán àti ìmọ̀ọ́mù tí wọ́n pa jẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ ẹ̀kọ́ fèsì mi dáadáa ẹ̀kọ́ bá fèsì mi mi sá ẹ̀kọ́ bá fèsì mi ẹ̀kọ́ bá fèsì mi.
ẹ lo máìkì.
So àdògán à ń fẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ fún ìjọba amúnisìn ìjọba àpapọ̀ amúnisìn kí wọ́n fi ìyà jẹ ìran Yorùbá kí wọ́n bá wa sọ fún wọn pé à ń fẹ́ ìdájọ́ òdodo àwọn tí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn méjèèjì yẹn kí wọ́n mú wọn bọ́ kí wọ́n fojú wọn bọ́ síta kí wọ́n lè ìdájọ́ òdodo àti bó ṣe tó àti bó ṣe yẹ. ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin ilé Sunday Igboho tí wọ́n bàjẹ́ à ń béèrè àti gbogbo property ẹ̀ tó bàjẹ́ à ń béèrè kí wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ ìjọba fún wa pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ san damages gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbẹjọ́rò Chief Sunday Igboho bó ṣe sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí a fún wọn ní 7 days ultimatum bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn ọba wa àwọn náà súnmọ́ wa àwọn ni wọ́n ń sọ pé bàbá làwọn jẹ́ fún wa àwọn ni wọ́n sọ pé àwọn làwọn balẹ̀ wa lórí àwọn ni wọ́n fi yé wa pé àṣẹ ń bẹ lẹ́nu àwọn fún di eléyìí nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé aláṣẹ làwọn àṣẹ wọn gbọ́dọ̀ débi tó yẹ kó dé kí wọ́n bá wa pàṣẹ yẹn tí wọ́n fi ń bá wa lò níbí báyìí kí wọ́n lò ó náà fún wa láti jẹ́ pé gbogbo béèrè wa wá sí ìmúṣẹ láàrin ìjọ méje sásìkò. Yorùbá nation nígbà tá a bá ń dúró de àwọn èèyàn wa yòókù àwọn èèyàn tán sì ń bọ̀ pọ̀ gan-an tó ti ń pè mí pé àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ dájú. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátá òun ló fẹ́ tẹ̀sí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátá gbogbo ara sí both old and abroad òun ni wọ́n mọ̀ sí ìfẹ̀hónúhàn tá a fẹ́ ṣe nítorí pé títí kékeré kìí ṣe ẹni sí ẹni kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé bímínà ni tàbí tẹ́lọ́rìsì ni wọ́n mọ̀ sí tẹ́lọ́rìsì wà.
Now Sunday Igboho House we dey and people they gather they address this small rally before they come out. They said they won't make government pay damages. Make government pay for damages. All the things where they damage for Sunday Igboho House, and then make the us pay for the lawyer we go standing for Sunday Igboho. Now the report we still did make, we still dey here. Stay tuned.
Láti gba ẹ̀tọ́ wọn láti kúta wà ní. Oòduà nation. Oòduà nation. Oòduà nation. No retreat. No surrender. No retreat. No surrender. No surrender.
All right, the leader of the group just addressed the people now. Say they no fear anything will won't happen. They just want make the government respond the way they're supposed to respond. Make them take care of all the damages where they don't cause for Sunday Igboho house. Very soon, then go talk where they won't go from here. We see the here. See the report. All right, now Sunday Igboho house we dey for Soka, for Ibadan, Southwest Nigeria. Now BBC Pidgin the report now, and we don't gather here. We see people we gather. We want to protest about the damages where they do for Sunday Igboho house. Now Sunday Igboho house we dey for Soka, and people they gather, they say up. They want make government come out, make government pay for all the damages where they don't do Sunday Igboho, everything where they destroy for here, and make government pay for these damages. Make government pay for the lawyer. We go standing for Sunday Igboho. We see they here, BBC Pidgin.
Àwọn ilé ìfisí wọn tí wọ́n ní ṣó.
Abíọ́dún Arẹ̀mú, Fẹ́mi Aboríṣàdé. Some people
Igboho been raise alarm on saying house come under attack on Thursday morning for Ibadan, Oyo State. Intel BBC Pidgin say the attack happened early momo. The activists say the invasion come as surprise to him because him activism now for the safety of him people and he dey violence free. The Nigerian Secret Police (DSS) later come out on Thursday night to confirm say na them storm and raid Sunday Igboho house for Ibadan. Igboho wey real name na Sunday Adeyemo. They say they stockpile arms. Say Sunday Igboho carry arms he keep for his house. Now so DSS stock person Peter Afunaya declare for Abuja. So we dey Sunday Igboho house now and the gathering still there. Now BBC Pidgin we still there.
That English please. I don't want to change that English thing. Stockpiling. That is stockpiling that DSS from Abuja use. No camera view. I want you to change that English. Stockpiling before you can. So it's not stockpiling.
And Professor Wole Soyinka don't react to how DSS raid Nigerian activist Sunday Igboho house and arrest him men. Come later declare him wanted. The Nigerian Nobel laureate say make government stop the pursue Igboho as criminal. The pursuit don't start by acting in a criminal fashion against him because if Igboho come to trial, I guarantee say government will be embarrassed. Now so Wole Soyinka talk. Professor Wole Soyinka say to arrest Igboho or declare him wanted no be in the interest of the government. Make them tell Igboho we make mistake. We for no act in this way. You are no longer wanted. Now so Professor Wole Soyinka talk. Please go back to your home. In fact, make them escort him to his home quietly and let him resume in normal life. He had say Igboho fit don go underground to protect himself and perhaps to be able to continue in declared struggle to protect and defend his own people and to let the aggressors know say them no be lords. We still dey Sunday Igboho house for Soka and new set of people they arrive. They gather for the protest. Sunday Igboho lawyer Yomi Aliyu don't demand say make DSS pay 500 million naira in damages and apologize to him clients for waiting them do for Ibadan House on Thursday. Oga Yomi requested the payment of the 500 million as compensation for all the motor where the shooting for the compound been spoiled. He also alleged say all the weapons where they the house being they planted by the members of the Department of Secret Service, plus including the guns of the police escorts for 2 Sunday Igboho visitors. In talk this one for inside statement. The lawyer accused the DSS of trying to kill him clients when them enter him house.